Hello, I'm Andy, and I'm going to read to you a weekly horoscope from Sunday the 23rd to Saturday the 29th, September 2018, and this is for you coming from Pisces. So let's start with Sunday the 23rd for you coming from Pisces, and it's going to be a horrible, difficult, vulnerable you because many problems are waiting to just erupt in the morning afternoon period and spoil the Sunday morning and afternoon for you, or perhaps it's you who's going to spoil the morning and afternoon for everybody else. You have to avoid the argument, drive slowly, accidents can be seen, talk slowly because verbal accidents can be there, act slowly because physical accidents may be there, like running down the stairs and go up, down you go flying. Yes, these planets are very powerfully against you. And what they want to do is to try and get you to do everything wrong. So, count to 3 before you say or do anything. Count to 3 silently before you say or do anything. Because you're going to step on some kind of landmine which will explode into your face. And so what do? Don't take charge of any situation. Let other people organize it. Because if you do, it's going to go wrong. Be careful what you say. And when you sense an argument about to brew, walk away very quickly. Evening, nightfall, the very opposite. Some of your best planets are there. So that's how a day can change. And you probably will find all the solutions you couldn't find in the morning, afternoon. You'll find them in the evening, nightfall period. It's never too late. Go out in the evening. I see also global planets a lot in your horoscope in the evening, nightfall period. And so go onto the internet. That's how I translate these global planets. Go to the internet. Is it the job you're looking for somewhere? Is it the business you're looking for in some country? Is it the romance you're looking for, or is it the friendship you want? You're going to get some very good feedback from the evening, nightfall period regarding the internet. And if it's not the internet and you're going out with somebody and having a good time, go out dancing, I can hear the music. Go out having a very good time, and you might just meet people from another country, or you might be discussing travel or holidays. So very nice ending for you on 23rd of Sunday. Let's go to the 24th Monday, and a lot of good news waits for you in the morning, afternoon. Oh yes, it does. And you're going to be very lucky. So if you have a job, you're going to get good news. So work hard, you are being watched. And so whatever you do, you're going to get the praise in the morning, afternoon period. If you are doing business, go out and reach out for whatever you want. And you are so lucky that you will be surprising yourself to see the contacts you make and perhaps a contract that you get. Yes, it's that kind of fabulous morning, afternoon period. And what happens on this Monday morning and afternoon, it gives some kind of magic from 2 planets, Venus and Neptune. One gives you the third eye kind of feeling what can happen. The other one makes you so creative that anything you do in the morning, afternoon is bound to have a reward. You can't get everything under the sun in this morning, afternoon. So focus on what you want and go for it and you'll get it. Evening, nightfall, planets go very slow, very slow. That frustrates you because you expect quick action because you're so excited about morning, afternoon already. Very slow. You have to double check what the plans are for the evening, nightfall. They'll have postponements, they'll have cancellations, your date may not show up or might be very late and you're fuming by then. And so what do? Be patient in the evening, nightfall period. Now these planets of the evening, nightfall are very treacherous. They are against you, they are long term. So hour by hour they are going to make you feel worse and worse in the evening, nightfall period. If I were you, I would just pack up and go home and sulk by yourself or with whoever you are who understands and loves you. But if you really have to be out all the time, you're going to be very disappointed. You might meet people from your past you don't like. You might hear things about the past you don't like. And it's going to be a very gloomy, frustrating evening. So think about it. 25th Tuesday starts brilliantly for you. You are going to get plenty of good news in everything that you're looking at. Is it the new romance? Oh, it's coming your way so nicely. Is it looking for a new job? Yes, you will be very lucky to get good news on this 25th Tuesday. Is it doing a business that you're doing? Yes, you'll get plenty of good news as something spectacular. You will be inspired somehow on this 25th Tuesday morning and afternoon. So use your inspiration as much as you can. And you will see that when you communicate, when you ask favors, nothing is denied of you. There's one aggressive planet there in the morning, afternoon that might make your tongue too sharp. So don't allow that to happen. Take the soft approach, use words which are soft, a tone of voice which is soft, a body language which is soft. That will quieten down this aggressive planet. He'll leave you alone after that. Don't be over-determined to get what you want. That's what this aggressive planet wants to do. So take the soft approach and you'll get what you want anyway. Evening nightfall is packed with all these aggressive planets. Some of your good planets will go there, but wow, they can't do much because aggressive planets took over. And of course, they'll make you very aggressive and ready for a fight, or is it an argument? You'll drive in a very dramatic way, perhaps, and you look for trouble, basically. So how do you control this? Firstly, stay at home, be with the people you love who understand you, or be by yourself. Or keep repeating to yourself, I have to take the soft approach with whoever you meet, whoever you talk with, whoever you're doing anything with. And that way you will quieten these planets, and that way they will not become aggressive, and that way you will be able to get what you want done. But I would say it's going to be a tall order, because these aggressive planets will make you suddenly blurt out aggressive things. 26th Wednesday, planets move very slow. Are you waiting for news? You won't get it in the morning, afternoon. Are you waiting for help? You won't get it. And are you waiting for support? Very little will come. So what do? Be patient. These planets are long-term planets. Don't fool around with them. All the damage you create on this Tuesday, Wednesday morning, afternoon is not short-term, it's long-term. It'll be remembered by others that you stepped on toes or that you insulted, so watch out. And also be careful that whatever you want can be postponed, can be cancelled. That kind of frustration is also there. And the mistakes of the past will also come and confront you in the morning, afternoon of this 26th Wednesday. It's packed with headaches. Makes you gloomy, makes you frustrated, makes you depressed. So what do? Be patient, tell yourself, I'm not going to expose myself to risk, I'll be part of a team, so if things go wrong, which I think they will, at least you won't be the single one to be blamed. Be part of a team. Perhaps somebody else may be having a good day and you just float with them to some success. Evening nightfall, much better day, evening nightfall, much better evening nightfall. You can meet very important people, and you will be able to also mix with people who can help you. So go out with a purpose. Is it you want to meet people for job enhancement, for business enhancement, for looking for a new romance, for wanting to make your marriage and family very happy? You've got to focus on what you want. And when you can do that, that's when you get the best advantage of this evening nightfall period. Your aura will be shining, so people are watching you, so behave well. Don't criticize unnecessarily. 27th Thursday, oh, you'll be full of energy. Full of energy. You will be driven to want to get things done. And the trouble is, others may not be as driven as you, so they might find you very offensive in your speech or action, so take the soft approach. And also there are planets which are very emotional there in the morning. So it's a working day, it's a business day, you cannot afford emotionalism. So you'll have to tell yourself again and again, facts, figures, and reality. Facts, figures, and reality, and logic, that's the word I was looking for, and logic. And repeat this to yourself so you can pull yourself back from the emotionalism into the logical state of mind. Very important here, morning, afternoon. And try not to cross swords with people, whether verbally or whether mentally. Tell yourself, I've got this morning, afternoon, which I have deadlines, and I may have to be aggressive, to be pushy to get them going, but remain polite as well. Evening nightfall, all the emotional planets are there, and they're going to give you a very good time in the evening nightfall period. So much enjoyment, so much with being the person you love so much, or that you're wanting to be loved for a new person. And you will see that there's so much of pleasure and sociability there. Well, one or two of these aggressive planets will also visit you evening nightfall, and tell them to be quiet. How? Take the soft approach, use words which are soft, tone of voice which is soft, body language which is soft. that just tones down these planets. They shut up after a while, and you will just take control that way. It works. It works. You and the planets are one, so it's all rolled up in one. Let's go to 28th Friday, and the morning afternoon is perfect. It's lovely. It puts you in charge. So there are people at your place of work watching you, and if you perform well, you will be in the limelight and get good news of a promotion, or whether more authority, whether a bigger scenario in your place of work. Or if you're in business, you will attract plenty of opportunities because your aura is shining. And so people may not be with you, but through any form of communication, email or the phone, people will feel this aura and they'll want to do something with you. So you can attract good news in job, good news in business, and go out for lunch and go out with people that you want to meet. And if that is a romance you want to chase for it in the morning, afternoon. Evening, nightfall, I'm not so happy with. They do two things at evening, nightfall period. These planets of the evening, nightfall period. They make you dominating, they make you stubborn. So you don't want to do that in the evening, nightfall. And if you're strong enough and clever enough not to do that, then you can have your better planets of the morning, afternoon, go there in the evening. Your aura will still be shining and you'll get what you want without being dominating, without being pushy, without being stubborn. That's the way you tackle these planets. 29th Saturday, a brilliant morning afternoon period. And if it's a working day, you'll be very imaginative and creative. If it's a holiday, you'll still be very imaginative and creative, but you'll also enjoy the sociability, and you can meet people of your value that you want, and you'll be helped by people who you are with. So it's a very friendly morning, afternoon period for you. See what you want and you will get it. Act for what you want and it comes your way. So it's all up to you to take the soft approach again, because these planets of emotionalism are very soft. You don't want to go hammer and tongs. Take it easy and you'll get what you want, I promise you. And be very charming and be the nicest person on earth. Evening, nightfall, very rebellious planets are waiting for you with their arms open. Come on along in the evening, nightfall. We'll make you rebellious. We'll make you nasty. We'll make you say shocking things and behave in a shocking manner. We'll make you very disagreeable by making you non-conformative, which means that you are just not part of anything anymore. And so tell yourself, I'm not going to allow that to happen, evening, nightfall period. You are stronger, yes. I'm not going to allow that to happen. And you will control these planets how? By being part of a team, firstly, by being agreeable, by being supportive, by being gracious. So you will tame these planets down because they'll be ashamed of themselves and you'll get away with it. It works. It works. And tell yourself, evening, nightfall, if I behave badly, I'm going to get nothing at all. And so take your time. Very fast planets, they make you impulsive and they make you impatient. So don't be impulsive. Guard what you say, measure every word, guard what you do, every little bit of action. And definitely you don't want to be rebellious. Otherwise the evening, nightfall of this Saturday, the 29th, going to be spoiled. Well, I'm already Skyping and I'm charging USD 50 for a 90-minute Skype session, or is it on Messenger you want, or is it on WhatsApp? And with all these 90 minutes, I'll talk to you about your next 7 or 8 years in all areas of your life, age by age, calendar year by calendar year, including your health areas, job and business and money, and the romance and the love and the family. Intense reading for 90 minutes. And I'll give you a lot of information. I'll give you your personal lottery numbers based on your date of birth, time of birth, and looking at your palms. And you can compare your personal lottery numbers every month with what I'm giving for everybody in Pisces. I'll give you your lucky numbers, your lucky days. I'll give you your lucky lottery numbers again. And I'll give you a lot of good news about lucky colors and lucky gemstones and lucky directions as well, and much more. So you're going to get a lot of information just for USD 50. So I'll wait for you to contact me through Skype or through Facebook Messenger or through an email, and we'll get down to planning a date for you. And that's the way you will be able to be fully in control of your next 7 or 8 years. Well, until then, thank you and goodbye. Goodbye.